welcome back to my channel, Megan Victoria. My name is Megan. I'm a pro hair and makeup artist and I put out 2 videos a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Today, okay, so I literally have to run out the door in like less than 2 minutes. This summer has been so crazy and so busy, which has really forced and challenged me to come up with like 5-minute faces, like 2-minute faces you can do in the Uber. So this is the look we're doing today. I've been doing this a lot, probably the last like couple days. I think I've worn my makeup like this the same way because it's just bronzy, it's glowy, and it's just like very summer-esque. I think it's really beautiful. I love very like bronzy boho kind of softer looks like this. I always skip mascara, as a lot of you guys know. If you want to wear mascara, please be my guest, do what you want, enjoy your life. But this is the look we're doing. It's honestly like 5 products, 5 minutes, so quick and easy. I love it. It's such a go-to, and it is very heat-proof, sweat-proof, etc. And as you notice, I have my hair wet, so like, you know, it can look a little bit more put together if you have a whole vibe and a little bit more glamorous. But this is what we got today. So with all that said, if you'd like to see how we get this nice 5-minute face, super quick, easy makeup look, then please just keep on watching. Clearly you can see I literally need to go, like the Uber is on its way. All right, enjoy. Alright, so let's get started. So first thing is I already have my Skin Fix serum on. Gonna take a little touch of the Flawless filter. Then we'll just grab a little bit of the Makeup Forever, and I just like, we'll kind of slop this on the face. Doesn't need to be perfect. Take my Sigma F80 brush and just start smushing all this around. Wow, that was way too much on the forehead. Man, the heat creeps in so quickly. And I'll just stipple to make sure there's no brush marks and everything is nice and blended. All right, then we'll take a little bit of our Salmon Concealer, pop that underneath the eyes. Inner corner, outer corner, you know the drill. Get all of that redness that we do not want. Then a really great drugstore concealer is the Age Rewind by Maybelline. It also is kind of expensive. Like, it's not the cheapest drugstore concealer. Mind you, like the price at the drugstore like skyrocketed. But I really have been enjoying this concealer, so I just take it right under the eyes just with my finger and just really blend that in. I find it gives me coverage, but it also gives me brightness like all at the same time, and it just looks very soft under the under eyes. Like I'm glad I rediscovered this. I really like it. And then I'll just take a little bit, put it right down the side of the nose. I always just put it on the back of my hand. It's just like makeup artist thing, I don't know. I just find it really easy to kind of blend and work with. And then I'll just use that same brush to kind of blend it out. And this also just kind of transfers a little bit of the foundation back to the concealer, which just makes everything like the same undertone and just, you know, really like blends well together. Like, doesn't that concealer look so good? Like, I just think it looks awesome. Okay, so we're gonna set the under eyes with the Flawless filter, not Flawless filter, the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Powder. I was like, oh my god. And we'll just tap that underneath, set that in place, and then I just like to go around the center of the face just to cover up any of that additional shine. So then for that quick bronze, I've just been loving the Nars Summer Lights palette. So I just take that bronzer brush, really swish it around, and I go to town with the bronzer. Especially if I have like a couple seconds to get out the door, I just focus on the skin. As long as my skin looks good, I'm like content with everything else. Now that's a personal thing. You may be like an eye person. My thing is just like skin. So I definitely take my time on the skin and bronze it all up. I just find a big brush is great for this because then you just really get that like overall bronziness. We don't need like a chiselly like contour. I just want like overall warmth and glow and dimension to the face. And then when we're content with that, I'm gonna switch over and just grab some of that highlighter and just apply that to the high points of the cheeks and the nose bridge. So now I feel like my skin looks dimensional and just like really beautiful. I'm just gonna take some of my Dew Mist and let that sit for a second. Then we'll move on to the brows. Just taking my pure pencil. I feel so boring when I talk about my brow routine because it really has not changed. Man, I really wish I could film with my damn AC. It's like painful. You just feel like you're melting in the makeup. But you know what? It's a good test for the outside world because it is hot as hell. Okay, so brows are on. I'm gonna go back into this palette and I'm just gonna grab this little shimmery guy. So I'll just apply this all over the lid just with my finger, keeping it so simple. Just to give the eyes a little bit of shimmer and shine. And then if you really want, you can just go and take that little bit of highlighter shade as well. Just pop that in the center of the eyes just because it has a little bit more shimmer. And then right in that inner corner. As always, if you want to wear mascara, go for it. I'm going to take the Buxom Seychelles lip gloss, apply this on top of my lips. And then if I wanted any more powder, I could do that, but I think I'm just going to take a little bit more setting spray. And that is our like 5-minute, ultimate 5-minute summer face. Like, so easy, so quick, but you just have that glowy, wet, bronzy looking skin, the little bit of shimmer in the eyes, and that nice gloss on the lips, and you just look so summer-esque goddessy. And it takes 2 seconds. And with that said, I need to head out the door, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.